Well, what can I say? The Honda gods want me to get intimate with this Prelude. I did the injectors, did the valve clearance check, everything I spoke about in the last video. It fixed the black oil, or I'm sorry, the black smoke coming out of the exhaust. But as you saw in the other short, it developed a knock. So, unfortunately, this will be a complete teardown. What I've done so far, off camera of course, is I removed the alternator, I disconnected the power steering pump, left it all connected, well, the line's connected at least. Took off the shroud for the header, I removed the coil, threw some penetrating oil on the bolts just to be safe. Took all the bracket or the alternator and the power steering bracket off. Definitely need to be cleaned. I do have a new intake manifold coming. As I got into this with the injectors, I found that previously whoever owned the car decided to JB weld the intake manifold. Probably can't see, but right there is a ton of JB weld. So I ordered a used one that I'll clean up and at least use the lower plenums. What can I say? It's going to be a chore. I did tape off some of the wiring just to remember where it goes, as well as taking lots of pictures as I go. Just make sure all the plugs go in correctly when it comes back to putting the engine in. Again, this will be a full tear out and tear down. From what you guys probably saw in the thumbnail, I did get a new engine stand. I got a master rebuild kit. So this came with all the gaskets, water pump, oil pump, timing belt, tensioners, pistons, piston rings, bearings, and journal bearings, I guess you call them. So it's gonna, as I said before, this is gonna be a long journey. I work full time, so as well as take care of my horse. So this is a third project, if you will, between work and horse. So I just want to kind of let you guys know where I'm at. If there's anything you want me to show you or something specific you want to see during this whole teardown, comment below. Let me know. I'll do my best to video it. I kind of have a tendency just to get in and get started. I'm still new to this YouTube thing and making videos while I work on things. So anyway, that's about it. Short. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. And until the next one, always remember, doesn't matter if it's 4 wheels or 4 hooves. Always enjoy the ride.